You want to remove background on your photos and videos, but this is very lengthy process, right? So don't worry, here a solution. Hello guys, my name is Tejas Koshti. Welcome to our channel gossipfunda. Let's roll the intro. Now here I will show two methods to background remove. That first one is offline and second one is online. Okay, offline we have one application that I personally recommend or personally use, that is called as a background eraser. It is totally free and it's quite a 2 to 5 MBs. Okay, just what you need to do, just upload your photos, and they have the four options: auto, manual and repair. When you auto click, then automatically background was removed, and that is manually to crop the image and your background was automatically removed. This is the first offline tool for photos. If you want to remove background from the videos, the offline tool was present. This I given the list. Okay, this 10 video editing softwares easily remove your background in videos. Okay, if you want to know about which software was best, I previously uploaded one videos that I have given the all the list of top 10 video editing software, which is absolutely free, and you make a professional video and they have no watermark. Okay, so any one of the software you use and remove your background in your videos. Okay, now this is the offline methods. This two I will show. This is the offline method, but it is, you also know, it is a very lengthy process. Okay, you go that software and manually select it and cut it. It is a very lengthy process. If you want to make fastly, so here a solution one is online method. Okay, here the one website is remove.bg. It is most famous website. Okay, what you need to do, just go, okay, and upload your image. I will show one demo. Okay, I take one image. Here the Tony Stark was present. Just upload your photos and they will be automatically detected. Here the result, we find the background was perfectly removed. Okay, and it's take only 1 to 2 seconds, and we download this, and yeah, my photos background was perfectly removed. Okay, that's it. So it is very simple and easy method when you going from online. Okay, if you want manually doing, just go to the offline process, and if you want to online and fastly make remove your background, this is online, but it is not for videos. So also this website was used to remove background in videos. How? Just go the video section, just type in Google remove .bg and background remove. Here you see the one demo video. They use, just upload your videos and they automatically crop your video, and yeah, you use the green screen, chroma key, everything you want you do, and it's absolutely free and they not take any charges, and your work was done is totally free. Your work done in just 3 to 4 minutes. So I think it is very helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please share your friend and family, and also subscribe our channel gossipfunda. Every day we make a new videos on this topic. So if you want more type of these videos, so let me in comment box. I will make this type of more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.